Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making Amish pasta salad. So stay tuned. So what does the recipe call for? 16-ounce pasta shell. 3 tablespoons sweet pickle relish, and you want it drained. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon celery seed. 1.5 cups mayonnaise, but I'm going to be using Miracle Whip. 1/2 cup sour cream. 1/4 cup sugar. 3 tablespoons yellow mustard. 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. 5 hard-boiled eggs. 3 stalks of celery. 1/2 small sweet onion. 1 2-ounce jar of pimentoes. This is a 4-ounce jar, so I'll only be using half. 1 green pepper. And salt and pepper. It looks like a lot of ingredients, but it's all going to be going together quick and easy and simple. Let's begin. So the first thing we're going to do is fill a pot with water and heat it to boiling. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. After it has started to boil, we'll add 16 ounces of pasta shells. We will cook that according to package directions, which for tender will be 11 minutes. So while that is heating up, I'm going to go ahead and chop up the vegetables. Okay, so the water is boiling now. I'm going to go ahead and dump the pasta in. And if it's noisy, I do apologize. And we'll go ahead and cook that for 11 minutes, or to your desired tenderness. Okay, so the pasta has been cooking for 11 minutes and it is done. I'll shut off the stove top and I'm going to drain this and rinse it really well. Okay, so next we're going to make our sauce. The first ingredient is 3 tablespoons of sweet relish, and you want to make sure that it is drained. So I just took a little strainer here, and I'm going to just kind of give it a shake to make sure that all the excess liquid comes out, and then dump it in the bowl. Next ingredient is going to be 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and dump that in the bowl. 1/2 teaspoon of celery seed. 1.5 cups of mayo, or in my case, Miracle Whip. My husband does not like mayonnaise. One-half cup of sour cream. 1/4 cup of sugar. 3 tablespoons of yellow mustard. And sorry about the farting noise. It's the mustard, I swear. Not me. And 2 teaspoons apple cider vinegar. And then you want to whisk it until it is thoroughly mixed together. Okay, so I think that looks pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and add the pasta. And the eggs. Add the celery, the onions, the green pepper, and last but not least, the pimentoes. And I'm going to only do half of the jar for 2 ounces. That looks like it's about half. And then you just mix it all together till it's thoroughly mixed with the sauce. Makes an awful lot. So if it's too big of a batch for you, you can just cut down the ingredients accordingly so they're all in the same ratio, just a smaller amount. And this is what it looks like. Now it just has to go into the refrigerator and chill until we are ready to eat. Now it's time to eat. We have our Amish pasta salad, and rounding out the meal is our mesquite grilled chicken fillets and garlic bread.
Oh, that's good.
And my husband likes it. It's a success. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.